All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. We praise Him, we seek His help, and we ask for His guidance. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him, his family, his companions, and all those who follow his path until the day of judgment. From the very beginning of creation, Allah honored women with dignity, purpose, and value. A woman's worth is not determined by her appearance, wealth, social status, or the opinions of people. Instead, her true honor comes from being a servant of Allah and striving to live a life of faith and righteousness. Islam teaches that every human being is created by Allah with wisdom, and that both men and women are part of His perfect plan. The Qur'an reminds us that all people were created from a single soul, emphasizing that men and women share the same human origin, and are equal in their responsibility to worship Allah and seek His pleasure. Before the message of Islam, many societies treated women unfairly. In some places, daughters were considered a burden, women had no inheritance, and they were often denied basic respect and protection. Islam transformed this mindset by declaring that women deserve honor, kindness, and justice. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, demonstrated through his character that women should be treated with compassion and respect. He honored his daughters, showed love to his wives, and encouraged the believers to be gentle and caring toward the women in their families. Allah does not judge people based on their gender but by what is in their hearts and the sincerity of their actions. The Qur'an teaches that the most honored in the sight of Allah are those who have the greatest taqwa, or God consciousness. This means that a believing woman who prays sincerely, remembers Allah, remains patient during hardship, and performs righteous deeds can attain a rank higher than many others. Her reward is based on her faith and obedience to Allah, not on worldly recognition or material success. Every act of worship performed by a woman is valuable in the sight of Allah, whether she is making dua in the quiet of the night, reciting the Qur'an, caring for her parents, raising righteous children, helping those in need, or remaining patient through life's trials. Allah sees every sacrifice and every sincere intention. Even when her efforts go unnoticed by people, nothing is hidden from the one who created her. Allah is the most just, and He never allows any good deed to be lost. Islam also teaches that daughters are a source of blessing rather than shame. Raising daughters with love, proper education, and good character is an act of worship that carries tremendous reward. Likewise, mothers hold an honored position because of their sacrifices, compassion, and endless care. Wives are described as garments for their husbands, symbolizing comfort, protection, mercy, and mutual support. Sisters strengthen family bonds through kindness and affection. Each of these roles reflects the respect and importance that Islam gives to women throughout every stage of life. A believing woman should never allow society's changing standards to define her value. Trends, beauty standards, and public opinions constantly change, but Allah's measure of honor remains constant. Her modesty, honesty, patience, humility, and devotion to Allah are qualities that never lose their worth. These virtues beautify her character, far more than outward appearance ever could. Through faith, good manners, and trust in Allah, she earns a dignity that no person can take away, and a reward that extends far beyond this temporary world. Islam granted women rights at a time when many civilizations denied them the most basic freedoms. More than 14 centuries ago, when women in many parts of the world were treated as property, deprived of inheritance, and excluded from important decisions, Allah revealed guidance that established justice, dignity, and protection for women. These rights were not introduced by human opinion or changing social trends, but were given by Allah Himself, making them a permanent part of Islamic teachings. One of the greatest rights Islam gave women is the right to own property and control their own wealth. A woman has the freedom to buy, sell, inherit, invest, and manage her possessions without anyone taking control of them unjustly. Her wealth belongs to her alone, whether she earns it through work, receives it as a gift, or inherits it from her family. Even after marriage, her husband has no right to take her wealth without her willing consent. This demonstrates the financial independence that Islam recognizes for women. Islam also established the right of inheritance for women through clear guidance in the Qur'an. Before Islam, women were often excluded from inheritance altogether. Allah changed this by assigning women a share of inheritance according to specific family relationships and responsibilities. While the shares may differ in certain situations, these rulings are part of Allah's perfect wisdom, and are connected to the financial obligations placed upon men, who are required to provide for their families. Islam views justice not as giving everyone the exact same responsibilities, but as giving each person rights that correspond to their duties. Seeking knowledge is another right that Islam encourages for every believer. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, emphasized the importance of learning, and Muslim women throughout history became scholars, teachers, narrators of hadith, and contributors to Islamic knowledge. The mother of the believers, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, became one of the greatest scholars of Islam, teaching companions and later generations. Her example reminds us that knowledge elevates a believer and enables them to worship Allah with understanding and wisdom. Islam also protects a woman's dignity in marriage by recognizing her right to consent. A marriage cannot be forced upon a woman against her will. Her agreement is an essential part of a valid Islamic marriage. This demonstrates that Islam values her choice and respects her voice in one of the most important decisions of her life. Marriage in Islam is built upon mercy, mutual respect, and responsibility rather than oppression or coercion. Among the greatest honors Islam gives women is the elevated status of mothers. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, repeatedly emphasized that a mother deserves the highest level of kindness and respect because of her sacrifices, patience, and unconditional love. Caring for one's mother is among the greatest acts of worship after fulfilling the rights of Allah. This special honor reflects the immense value Islam places on the role of women within the family and society. Islam further commands believers to treat wives, daughters, sisters, and all women with kindness and fairness. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, was the best example of gentle character, showing love, patience, and compassion toward the women in his family. He taught that the best believers are those who are best to their families, reminding us that true strength is shown through mercy, respect, and good character, rather than harshness. These rights demonstrate that Islam did not merely improve the condition of women for a particular time or culture. Instead, Allah established principles of justice, honor, and protection that continue to guide believers today. When these teachings are understood and practiced sincerely, they create families built on compassion, communities founded on mutual respect, and a society where women are valued as honored servants of Allah, with rights, responsibilities, and limitless opportunities to earn His pleasure. Society often measures a woman's value by standards that constantly change. Beauty trends come and go, wealth rises and falls, popularity fades, and worldly success is temporary. Many women feel pressured to meet expectations created by social media, entertainment, or the opinions of others. These standards can create anxiety, insecurity, and the false belief that a person's worth depends on how they look or how much attention they receive. Islam offers a completely different perspective. It teaches that a woman's greatest value is found in her faith, her relationship with Allah, and the noble character she develops throughout her life. Allah does not look at outward appearances the way people do. He knows what is hidden within every heart, and He judges each person according to their sincerity, righteousness, and devotion. A woman who sincerely worships Allah, performs her prayers, remembers Him often, and strives to obey His commands possesses a beauty that cannot be measured by worldly standards. Her faith becomes a light that guides her decisions, strengthens her during hardships, and brings peace to her heart. One of the greatest qualities Islam encourages is modesty. Modesty is not simply about clothing. It is a way of life that reflects humility, dignity, self-respect, and awareness of Allah. A modest woman protects her speech, her behavior, and her actions. She treats others with kindness and avoids arrogance, gossip, and harmful behavior. This inner modesty makes her respected not because she seeks attention, but because she seeks the pleasure of Allah above everything else. Good character is another treasure that Islam places above physical beauty. Honesty, patience, generosity, forgiveness, compassion, and humility are qualities that elevate a believer in the sight of Allah. A woman with beautiful character becomes a source of comfort for her family, a trustworthy friend, and a positive influence in her community. People may admire physical beauty for a short time, but noble character leaves a lasting impact on hearts and lives. It is through good manners and sincere intentions that a believer earns the love of both people and, more importantly, the pleasure of Allah. Patience is also among the greatest signs of strength in a believing woman. Every person faces tests, whether they involve health, family, financial difficulties, loss or emotional struggles. Islam teaches that these hardships are opportunities to draw closer to Allah. A woman who remains patient, continues making dua, and places her trust in Allah during difficult moments, demonstrates a level of faith that is beloved to Him. Every tear shed in patience, every silent prayer, and every act of perseverance is known to Allah, even if no one else sees it. A righteous woman also understands that success is not measured by fame or worldly achievements alone. Success is living each day with sincerity, seeking Allah's guidance, and striving to improve one's character. Whether she is caring for her parents, raising children with good values, helping neighbors, supporting her husband, seeking knowledge, or serving her community, every sincere action becomes an act of worship when it is done for the sake of Allah. Even the smallest deed, such as offering a smile, speaking gently, or helping someone in need, carries immense reward when accompanied by the right intention. The Qur'an repeatedly reminds believers that no good deed is ever lost. Allah records every act of kindness, every sincere prayer, every moment of patience, and every sacrifice made for His sake. A woman may feel unnoticed by the world, but she is never unnoticed by her Creator. While people may overlook her efforts, Allah sees every hidden act of goodness and promises a reward that is far greater than anything this temporary world can offer. This understanding gives a believing woman confidence that does not depend on people's approval. She does not need constant praise to know her worth because her identity is rooted in her relationship with Allah. Her dignity comes from her faith. Her strength comes from her trust in Allah. And her true beauty shines through her righteousness and good character. These are the qualities that remain valuable in every generation, and continue to elevate her status both in this life, and, by Allah's mercy, in the hereafter. Women have always played a vital role in building strong families, righteous communities, and a flourishing ummah. Islam recognizes that the influence of a believing woman extends far beyond her own life. Through her faith, wisdom, patience, and good character, she shapes future generations and leaves behind a legacy that continues long after she has returned to Allah. Whether she is a mother, daughter, wife, sister, teacher, student, or community member, every sincere effort she makes for the sake of Allah has the power to transform lives. One of the greatest responsibilities and honors given to women is the opportunity to nurture the next generation. A mother is often the first teacher a child encounters. From the earliest moments of life, she teaches kindness, honesty, respect, patience, and love for Allah. Children learn not only from her words but also from her actions. When they see their mother praying with sincerity, reciting the Qur'an, speaking truthfully, showing gratitude, and treating others with compassion, these values become deeply rooted in their hearts. In this way, a righteous mother contributes to the strength of the entire ummah by raising individuals who fear Allah and serve society with integrity. A righteous wife also plays a remarkable role in creating a peaceful and loving home. Islam describes the marital relationship as one built upon affection, mercy, and mutual respect. A home filled with remembrance of Allah, patience during difficulties, and kindness between spouses becomes a place where faith grows and hearts find tranquility. Through encouragement, sincere advice, and unwavering support, a believing wife helps strengthen her family, making it easier for everyone in the household to remain committed to their Islamic values. Daughters are also a tremendous blessing in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, encouraged believers to treat their daughters with love, compassion, and fairness. Raising daughters with good manners, proper education, and strong faith is an act of worship that carries immense reward. A daughter who grows up with confidence in her Islamic identity can become a source of goodness for her parents, her future family, and her entire community. Her kindness, intelligence, and faith become gifts that continue benefiting others throughout her life. Throughout Islamic history, women have made significant contributions to the Ummah through knowledge, service, and leadership in beneficial fields. Many women became respected scholars, teachers, narrators of hadith, caregivers, and supporters of charitable work. Among the greatest examples is Aisha. May Allah be pleased with her, whose knowledge benefited countless Muslims after the passing of the Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. Her dedication to learning and teaching reminds us that women have always played an essential role in preserving and spreading Islamic knowledge. Every believing woman has the ability to influence those around her through her words, actions, and example. She may inspire a child to love the Qur'an, encourage a friend to remain steadfast in prayer, comfort someone experiencing hardship, or motivate another believer to increase in good deeds. These acts may appear small in the eyes of people, but Allah knows their true value. A single sincere reminder, a heartfelt dua, or a simple act of kindness can change the direction of another person's life, and continue bringing rewards long into the future. Islam also teaches that serving the Ummah does not always require public recognition or large achievements. Many of the greatest contributions happen quietly within homes, classrooms, neighborhoods, and communities. Preparing a child to become a righteous believer, caring for elderly parents, helping neighbors, supporting charitable causes, teaching beneficial knowledge, and maintaining family ties are all forms of worship. When performed sincerely for Allah, these daily acts of devotion strengthen this moral fabric of society and bring blessings to the entire community. A believing woman should never underestimate her potential or think that her efforts are insignificant. Every prayer she offers, every lesson she teaches, every sacrifice she makes, and every act of compassion she performs is recorded by Allah. Even if the world overlooks her contributions, Allah never does. Her sincere devotion can influence generations, strengthen families, spread goodness throughout society, and earn rewards that continue even after her lifetime. By remaining steadfast upon faith, seeking knowledge, practicing good character, and trusting in Allah, she becomes a pillar of strength for the Ummah, and a source of lasting benefit in this world and the hereafter.